Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Today we will start grammar. What is grammar? Grammar hara hoy. Any language learning method is called grammar. Hono bhashare shikere porigar hode grammar. Another one right learning method is called grammar. Argo torikal hoy chole lekar shikere porigar hode grammar. Grammar materials are ABC, etc. Grammar is visually ABC, etc. Indira arose. Grammar materials later on make ABCD. Grammar or is this in law avasakol banavare ABCD boli hoye. What are meant? What kolo banavare by using as tamalgori later purva colori. Example is horizontal shark, elephant, rose, mango, chili, table. It is the at part of a speech. Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Non boli hode namar non boli hode namakol. Pronoun boli hode namar badal istamal kore de. Adjective boli hode hamatari. Verb boli hode ham. Adverb hode hamatari. Preposition hode zagarade hamare dare preposition. Conjunction hode hotar zora de conjunction. Interjection hode haji pahada. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today at part of a special definition of the name manilo jo sadon of the argo video ma loktaba ara video are sahasiti bala like dole ara Facebook page gore page. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next time. আর লাইক করিবা আর শেয়ার করিবা